Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I use the stocking cap method to slay this lace frontal. Never did the stocking cap method. I learned by myself, honestly. I watched videos, so hopefully you guys can watch this video and learn how to do it yourself. I'm reviewing RPG hair. This honestly is my favorite hair out of all the hair I have ever reviewed. RPG gave me a wig cap, they gave me a brush, and they also gave me an elastic band. So they wanted me to do this stocking cap method, which I will show you later in the video, which is honestly an easier way to secure your wigs and to protect your hair under your wigs. If you're interested in learning how to do the stocking cap method, making your wig look natural, and more about this RPG Yaki straight 18-inch wig, then stay tuned. Hey y'all, so right now all I'm doing is protecting my edges. I'm putting some gel on my baby hair and my edges, and I'm just gonna brush it back so when we put the wig cap on, my edges are not sticking out. My edges will be protected and all together mesh with my hair. So yes, they did give me a wig cap. They gave me this brown wig cap, and I'm just gonna place it on my head like you do any other wig cap. I'm just gonna bring it down toward my ears. So I'm gonna go in first with the Got To Be Glued that is in the black bottle, and I'm gonna apply it all over my forehead. So now we are waiting for it to dry, but I'm impatient, so I'm gonna use my blow dryer. When you blow dry, you do not need it to be on hot, you do not need it to be on warm. It can be on cool because you don't want to melt this wig cap, you don't want to melt this. It's gonna be a bad look. So just blow dry it on low cool. It'll be dry sooner or later. It's got to be glued, it's gonna get tacky. Now I'm going to cut this band that you see off, and I'm going to go a little bit higher than the band just because that is not where my hairline is. So we are right now creating our fake hairline for the lace on the wig to go on top of. So now I'm going to go in with the freeze spray that comes in the yellow can, and this is just going to act as another form of the Got To Be Glued. So when I'm ready to put my wig on, it'll stick right there. Now I'm just going to go in and blow dry it once again just so it can get tacky. Now I'm gonna brush this bad fella with the cute little brush that they gave me. As you can see, this is a 360, comes with clips in the inside. I'm not gonna use any clips except the one in the back. So once I pulled the wig forward, it basically stuck right onto the wig cap like it was supposed to. I guess that is the point of the stocking cap method. I guess that is a plus. As you can see in the middle, where like a middle part would be, that part has already begun to lay down on top of my wig cap, and all I have to worry about is the sides, which is no problem because we have to go in and cut the ear off anyways. So many things I'm going through, so much that I wanna do. It's time to become So now I am going to section off the part that is covering my ears so we can clip that off. Repeat for the other side. You don't want anything covering your ear. You want to make it look as natural and make it as comfortable for you. So now we can just go in and put those sideburns down. Blow dry it because I'm impatient. I didn't want to wait for it to stick. And we're just going around making sure that everything is in place. And as you can see, I'm brushing it. It's not moving at all. Now for these baby hairs, you guys know this is my favorite thing. I'm just going to pull out the thin short pieces that they kind of gave in the front, and I'm going to take my scissors and chop them kind of short, and I'm going to use this foaming mousse to apply it to the edges because that's what I use to style my edges on my frontal. I go in with my toothbrush and I do what I do. Did give myself a side part, and now I'm just brushing it, playing around with the hair to see how I like it, how I want to style it. This hair, it looks really good though, like parting it, the bleach knots, everything just falls right into place. And I'm just about to chop this sideburn because it's too long, but it's really cute and I like it, y'all. So go get you some RPG hair because this is lit. Period. Thanks for watching. So this is my luscious RPG hair that I love, and I really recommend you guys to go get it. So all the information will be in the description box, so go check that out right now. Also, if you have me on Snap, you're going to see me doing all this and rocking the hair and finding different styles for it. Knots, they came pre-bleached and pre-plucked, which is a plus. Nobody wants to sit around and bleach your knots every time they get a frontal, all that type of stuff. So this is the hair I got. It is 18 inches and it is in Yaki straight. All the other hair that I have reviewed, it was not in Yaki. The thing that I like about Yaki is it looks natural. This looks like my hair if I was to flat iron my hair. So it is closer to a very natural look. It's not so silky and fake looking. It looks very natural, like, you know, a natural black girl's hair. So this is honestly a plus. I recommend this hair, honestly. If you want hair that's already pre-plucked, your hairline is plucked already for you, it's pre-bleached, so you can part it anywhere without it you seeing your wig cap or without you seeing what's underneath the lace, then I advise you to get this hair. Yes, go get you some RPG hair, ladies.